guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I'm super excited. I have a Bolzano handbag subscription for you guys. If you guys haven't seen these, I've been doing these for 2 years, about approximately a year and a half, 2 years now. I absolutely love these handbags. They have leather, real leather, they have faux leather, they have Swarovski crystals and accents on them. And every single month, it's a handbag subscription, so every month you get a handbag based on your style profile, just like clothing, except this is, it's a handbag. So if you like mediums, like I don't like the really itty bitty bags, I like a medium or large size bag, but the medium bags are really sort of the sweet spot for me because I can't really carry, with some back issues I have, a large bag. Well, I could, but the problem is I pack so much stuff in it. And then like everybody who's with me also packs so much stuff in my purse. Hey mom, can you hold this? Hey honey, can you put this in your purse? Before I know it, my purse is like 20 pounds and it's horrible. So this is a really great way for me to it's been a good way for me to explore like what kind of handbags work best for me. And most of the handbags have handles and come with a crossbody, which is really cool. Now I have the Luxe subscription, which is like $43.95, $44 a month. And with that you get purse accessories and companions as well as a purse. So it's a lot of fun because you get the purse, plus you get some goodies inside the purse. They are now starting to put in here, they all come in this beautiful duster bag, and it says, "You deserve to be spoiled" on it. And they are now putting in here a little bit more information about the purse that you've gotten, the name of the purse, why they like the purse, some of the features of the purse. I love that, and the value of the purse, which I especially love. So we're gonna open this. I do have a gift for you guys. If you go to the website, you can use my code, which is Yankee Gift. You go to the search bar and you search for Yankee Gift, and then you add that item into your cart, and then you will get a free $45 gift. Watch the website though, there's a ton of different subscriptions and there's other specials as well. Like you can get just the purse subscription, which I think is $19.95 a month. This is the Luxe subscription. They have I think they have a jewelry subscription now. So they have a whole bunch of different things, and they're always being really creative in what they're bringing to you and what options you have. So if you just want the purse subscription, you can get that. The Luxe one is the Luxe one is probably the most popular one. Oh goodness, girls, look. Oh, this is stunning for fall. So I was just saying, I don't really like the purse I'm using. Now it's not that I don't like it, it's not useful for me. It is a Bolzano handbag and I wanted to switch out of it. It's more of a tote style, and it's not good for every day because my wallet is like one of those long wallets. It falls all the way to the bottom, and then there's things under it. I have to take that wallet out, I have to dig everything out usually to get what I want, and I'm realizing, okay, that's not a good style for me. This is the right style for me. More of a solid, structured type of a handbag. Looks like we have a zipper on the front. This is a beautiful plum wine. Yep, so you've got your pocket in the front, your hardware. Let's see, you've got, okay, holding it backwards for you. You've got your little Bolzano signature hardware on here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a minute and just cut this off, and then we're gonna get inside the purse and take a look at it. I'm just gonna get the paper off it. Okay, I know it protects the purse, but I absolutely hate that plastic on these. So here is the purse. This is such a gorgeous purse. It says, can you see that on the bottom? Near the stitching, it says Bolzano. Like there's signs everywhere of what this purse is and represents. This is absolutely stunning. Oh look, it's got the feet. It's got the feet on the bottom. I love that. That is a sign of a well-made purse because it'll sit upright for you. All right, let's get in here. So you have, the hardware is all in silver on this purse. I'm actually going to switch to this purse before my trip, which is tomorrow. Okay, here's the inside. We have some goodies, so I'm gonna take those out for a second. And we do have a crossbody strap. And then inside, all right, let's see how I can show you that. Here's a small pocket right here. And then there is another pocket here. Oops, I think I just got my lipstick on it. And then on this side, we have like a bigger pocket right here. So it's got, you know, little small ones to stick, I don't know what you stick in those things, like pens or something, lipstick, something like that. So it's a pretty good size purse. There we go. You can see it's a good size. It's a really great size, and it is a beautiful, beautiful, I mean, goodness, this could not have been a better color for fall. It looks like it got a little bit, so when I put stuff in it, that'll go away, but it got a little bit crinkled in shipping. But I'm so excited. This is so gorgeous for fall. I have a snakeskin jacket, and it's white and black, and I just feel like wearing this with that is gonna look stunning together. So, and I love that it comes with the strap, because when I'm running through the airport, I'm gonna wanna use the strap and not the handles, so that'll be fantastic. All right, so we got to get that together. And then we got some other stuff here, which I'm going to go in a minute, but I want to tell you a little bit about this handbag. So it says, this is the Gabriella bag. It is constructed from PETA certified vegan leather, I always say that, vegan leather, and it has a retail value of $198. Woo! Gabriella is part of our new fall collection. It comes in plum. Okay, so that's the color I got. Terracotta, butternut, and black. I think Favor might have got this bag too, but she got like maybe the terracotta color. And it says, what we love about this bag: sturdy handles, convenient long strap, zipper back pocket, purse feet, top zipper closure, and multi-functional pockets on the inside. And then there's some information on like exchanges and stuff for you as well. So one of the things you can do is, like, if you only like neutral bags when you're doing your style profile, then you put neutral bags. I don't think this would be considered a neutral bag. So like if you put that you only want neutral bags, you're probably not going to get this one. But if you like that you put, you know, that you want to get different colors. Like if you're getting a lot of bags, it's fun to have bags that you can interswitch with your outfits, especially even if you just do this, like do 3 or 4 of them. So you're getting one a quarter, and then you can get a new purse for fall, spring, summer, winter, you know? So, and then this one also comes with some goodies. So this looks like a scarf. Let's see if I can get this open. I don't know if this scarf is like a scarf for your neck, or if this is like a scarf for your, like a purse accessory, and you're supposed to tie it on your purse. I mean, I guess you can do whatever you want with it. Oh, there's jewelry in here too. Oh, I almost missed that. Okay, so I'll show you the jewelry in a second. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful gray. What is that? Is that like a ghost balloon? I don't know. Oh, it's like a little Halloween-y, like a barn. I don't know. But there it is. There's the scarf. I love the colors in it. Let me look at it and see if I can. Oh, it's a girl. Okay, so it's a girl, and she's holding a balloon with like a bat balloon in a scary house. So this is like a Halloween type of a scarf. And then that house thing also plays as a hat and a person's head. This is really interesting. So let me hold it back. There's a lot to see in this. A lot to see in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it all just from this. But this is a lot going on in this scarf. Regardless, I love the colors of the scarf. So you could certainly, you know, wear this around your neck and just, you know, have it, ow, my earring got stuck. You know, just do a little tie and tie it in your neck. You could probably tie this in your hair, and you can definitely tie this on your purse. Very cool. Happy to have that. All right, so then the jewelry that I got is like, this is their own jewelry line, and there is a necklace and earrings, and they have, so can you see that okay? So it's a silver little X, like an X and O kind of a thing, with a tiny little crystal in it, and it's on a really pretty shiny chain. And then the little stud earrings, I'll probably give these away in a giveaway, upcoming giveaway. Those are cute. Because I don't really wear studs, but I do like the necklace. I really like the necklace, and the earrings are cute. I just don't, I'm not gonna, if I'm gonna give them away, I'll give them away as a set. And then what is this? An eyelash curler and maybe a lip liner. Oh, look at that. That is, you put, that's for falsies, to put false lashes on, and then a little pair of clippers. And then it's all tied up with a little Bolzano bag bow. Let's open it. if I can get into it, it looks like I might need scissors to cut this. Yes. Luckily, they're right here. Okay. Whew. All right, let's see what we got in here, girls. Okay. Oh, it's all sort of taped up here, but... Okay, so this looks like just a little case to keep it in. So this is your little eye case. Yes, this is just a little case. I might take that with me traveling. And then these are so pretty how they're on the paper. So here are the two, they're glued together, but here's the little scissors and the little eyelash adhesive, you know, just, it helps you. You just press your eyelashes on like that when you're gluing them. And then you got your eyelash curler. So you have all of those. What is this, a lip liner? This is True Red lip liner that also came in it. And your little bags, take these out of here, stick them in your bag, and you got your little eye set, put your falsies in there too, and you've got some bright red lip liner, and you're ready to take on the town. Very cool. This was a really, really fun box. So we got the bag, the little bag, which I have on the back, the accessories, the jewelry, the scarf, the lip liner, and of course the star of the show, this beautiful plum bag, which I'm in love with and I'm definitely taking with me on my trip to Chicago. Definitely taking it with me. So I'm going to use that tonight and get it all set up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this was fairly quick, but I wanted to show you this month's Bolzano handbag. I'm in love with it. I've really loved the majority of the bags, and if they haven't been my style, I've gifted them to other people, but I've really loved most of them. I will say that they've done a really good job of sort of capturing my style of a handbag, which is really exciting because I don't buy handbags and I would never spend, I say never, I do have a Coach handbag. Robert does buy me usually one kind of designer bag every single year, but then these bags are so fun as fill-ins. Like the other one's pink, and so I put that away until next summer or spring, and so this is going to be the one that I use for the winter now. So really excited. Maybe the next one I'll get will be leopard print. I'd be okay with a leopard print bag. To come to think of it, I haven't seen any printed bags from Bolzano. They all seem to be solid bags, so I don't know if they're going to come out with any printed bag, but Bolzano, if you're listening, a leopard print or cheetah print bag would be really, really cute. So all right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you're going to go get this subscription, whether you get just the purse subscription or the accessories and companion luxe subscription, whatever subscription you get, you can use the code Yankee Gift and get a $45 gift free with purchase. You do need to search for it in the search bar. It's like an item that you're adding to your cart, and you're gonna click on it, add it to your cart, and you'll be good to go. So I hope you guys have a great, wonderful rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys all real soon. Bye guys.